In this video, I will show you how to hide online status on TikTok. Let's open TikTok, then go to Profile in the bottom right corner. Now in the top right corner, you will see 3 lines. Click on it. Then go to Settings and Privacy. Then scroll down until you find Activity Status. Click on it. Here, Friends is selected. You can go and select it to No One. Now no one can see your activity status, whether you are online or offline. And with this, you can also not see the activity status of your friends, but you will be able to see the activity status of users who set it to public. And that's it. That's how you hide online status on TikTok. If you think this video was helpful, please like, share, subscribe to our channel and leave us a comment down below. Thank you for watching.